Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 9 from Madani Qaida. Today we will learn the letters of Leen. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what are the letters of Leen, how do we pronounce the letters of Leen in an Arabic accent. We will learn all these things in this lesson with example. How many letters of Leen are there in an Arabic accent? There are two letters of Leen, Ya Leen and Waw Leen. There are two letters of Leen. Number one is Ya Leen and number two is Waw Leen. What is Ya Leen? When there is a zabar before Ya sakin, then it becomes Ya Leen. For example, Jeem Ya zabar Jai. Here Ya is sakin because Ya has jazm sign on it. Any letter which has jazm sign or sakin sign on it, that letter called sakin letter. Here Ya is sakin letter. What is Ya Leen? When there is a zabar before Ya sakin, then it becomes Ya Leen. This is the example of Ya Leen. What is Waw Leen? When there is a zabar before a Waw sakin, it becomes Waw Leen. For example, Jeem Waw zabar Jaw. Here Waw is sakin because it has jazm sign or sakin sign. Any letter which has jazm sign or sakin sign, that letter is called sakin letter. Here Waw is sakin, here sakin letter. How do we pronounce the letters of Leen in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the letters of Leen gently in an Arabic accent without any stretching nor sudden pausing the voice. How we pronounce the letters of Leen? Let's learn with example. This is the example of letters of Leen. There is Waw Leen and there is Ya Leen. There is zabar before Waw sakin and there is zabar before Ya sakin. How do we pronounce the letters of Leen in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the letters of Leen gently in an Arabic accent without any stretching nor sudden pausing the voice. Let's learn with spelling. Za Waw zabar Zaw. Za Ya zabar Zai. Zaw Zai. We pronounce letters of Leen without stretching or without sudden pausing the voice. Za Waw zabar Zaw. Za Ya zabar Zai. Zaw Zai. This is the example of the letters of Leen. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn more example of letters of Leen. Kindly share my video. Thanks for watching. Visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।